Welcome back to the channel. So today we're throwing in some bushings. Got some bushings right here. And we're going to throw them into the old leaf springs. So when we do the stretch out, our measurements will be good on the axles because we won't have any slop in these bushings anymore down here. So we got a little bit of stuff that needs to be fixed down here, so I'll pop these out, get all four of these changed out so we can get the axle length perfect when we stretch it back out. So that's what we're up to today. Got the perfect size for fitting it out. You can see off that it's been cracked and cut in half down there. fun. Got them off both sides on the inside now. So we got 2 of the bushings replaced on the back. Didn't get the front ones done yet. Can't get them out yet, so got that to do, but I did cut out the fish plates on the inside from when they shortened it. Got that piece and got this piece, and boy, I don't wish this was my worst enemy. So got those done so we can now cut the frame tomorrow on Sunday and get it extended out to cj6. So that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.